What is non-REM sleep? You sleep every day, but are you actually getting good sleep? Most people think sleep as one long restful state, but sleep happens in different stages and not all sleep is the same. So why should you care? If you wake up physically tired and unrested even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, poor non-rapid eye movement sleep could be the reason. Let's break this down. What is NREM sleep or a non-rapid eye movement sleep? Sleep is divided into two main types. REM sleep, where dreaming happens and brain is highly active. Non-REM sleep, which makes up 75 to 80% of your total sleep and is responsible for physical restoration and deep rest. But non-REM sleep isn't just one thing. It actually occurs in three different stages, each with a unique role in recovery. These are three stages of non-REM sleep. Stage 1, light sleep, the transition. Lasts only 1 to 5 minutes. Your brain starts slowing down. Your body relaxes. You are still easily woken up at this point. Stage 2, deeper relaxation. Brain cleanup mode. Lasts 10 to 25 minutes per cycle. Brain waves slow further. Heart rate drops. Your body temperature lowers. Memory consolidation begins. Your brain starts sorting out through the day's information. Stage 3, deep sleep, the most important stage. 20 to 40 minutes in early cycles, less in later ones, most prominent in first and second cycles. This is when your body repairs itself. Muscles, immune system, and brain detox. Brain waves are at their slowest. If you wake up from this stage, you will feel groggy and disoriented. This is also known as slow wave sleep and it's crucial for your body's recovery. Why non-REM sleep is crucial for your health? For three major processes. Number 1, muscle and tissue repair. Growth hormones are released, helping your body recover from workouts and injuries. Number 2, brain detox. The lymphatic system flushes out toxins and waste products, including beta-amyloid proteins, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Number 3, memory and learning boost. It strengthens memory and helps process new information. Non-REM sleep is like your body's overnight repair shop. Without it, everything starts breaking down. What's the difference between non-REM sleep and REM sleep? They both serve different purposes. NREM sleep repairs muscles and immune system, clears waste from the brain, strengthens memory and learning. REM sleep processes emotions and regulates mood, boosts creativity and problem solving, helps with emotional resilience. Simply put, non-REM sleep heals the body, but REM sleep sharpens the mind, and you need both for optimal health. Factors that affect non-REM sleep quality. Many things can disrupt sleep, but here are the biggest culprits. Inconsistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at different times disrupts non-REM sleep patterns. Poor sleep environment. Noise, light and temperature changes can interfere with deep sleep. Caffeine and stimulants. Drinking caffeine too late in the day blocks adenosine. Adenosine is a natural chemical in the brain that builds up during the day to make you feel sleepy, delaying deep restorative sleep. Screen time and blue light exposure suppresses melatonin, making it harder to transition into non-REM sleep. Stress and high cortisol. Stress hormones shorten deep sleep cycles and cause frequent awakenings. Heavy meal and alcohol before bed can interfere with slow wave sleep and cause disruptions. Aging and medical conditions. Sleep naturally becomes lighter with age, and disorders like sleep apnea can reduce non-REM sleep quality. How do you know if non-REM sleep is suffering? Look for these. Waking up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep, you feel unrefreshed. Brain fog and poor concentration. Struggling with memory and focus. Frequent nighttime awakenings. Constantly waking up and struggling fall back asleep. Increased cravings for sugar and carbs. Poor sleep messes with hunger hormones, leading to overeating. Weakened immune system, getting sick frequently due to lack of deep sleep. Muscle fatigue and slow recovery. Body isn't repairing itself properly. Mood swings and irritability. More stress, anxiety, and you feel emotionally unstable. High blood pressure and heart issues. Chronic sleep loss increases cardiovascular risks. How to improve non-REM sleep? Is improving non-REM sleep the same as improving sleep overall? Not exactly, but these are closely related. Improving overall sleep means enhancing the quality, duration, and consistency of both non-REM and REM sleep. Improving non-REM sleep specifically focuses on deepening slow wave sleep for physical recovery, brain detox, and memory function. While many general sleep strategies help both, certain methods specifically enhance deep non-REM sleep, such as increasing sleep pressure by avoiding naps and exercising early in the day, optimizing magnesium and electrolyte intake for better muscle relaxation, reducing nighttime stress and cortisol levels to prevent fragmented sleep. What are non-REM sleep disorders? These are conditions that disrupt normal non-rapid eye movement sleep, often leading to abnormal behaviors, sleep fragmentation, or poor sleep quality. Common non-REM sleep disorders: sleepwalking, unconscious movement, walking, or even complex activities while asleep. Sleep terror, episodes of intense fear, screaming or panic during deep sleep, confusional arousals, waking up disoriented and unaware of surroundings, sleep talking, making vocal sounds or full conversations while asleep, nocturnal seizures, seizure activity occurring during deep non-REM sleep. These disorders are more common in children but can persist into adulthood, often triggered by stress, sleep deprivation, or genetic predisposition. So, if you're waking up physically tired, your non-REM sleep might be the issue. So, now that you know how important deep sleep is and your sleep schedule is messed up, watch this video on how to reset your sleep schedule. Want deeper insights? Join our YouTube membership for more videos on weight loss, gut health, cortisol, insulin, and more. And if you're in India and need help for weight loss, we have our expert back programs both online and in person. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.